When I was 7, I wanted to be an actress, and I wanted to live my dream. And when I was 11, I had a casting director tell me that I wasn't strong enough to carry my own show. I'm sure all of you have been told that you don't have what it takes and that you may not be good enough and you don't have enough people supporting you, and you're being told all of these things when deep down it's all you want to do. You want to be a part of something great. You want to make something great. It does more than knock the wind out of you. It crushes you when people try to tell you that you're not good enough. The most important thing is to always trust in myself. If I'm doing something because I love it, I should do it because I love it and I believe I can do it. Let the critics be critics and let us just trust ourselves. You're changing the world and that's amazing. Please just be kind to each other and love and inspire people. Let's change the game. Please stay true to yourself. Please just remain who you are, and you are who you surround yourself with. I just want to say I hope I can inspire each and every one of you to just trust yourselves and to love and to be loved.